Hello and welcome to the garyclarke.tech YouTube channel. During lockdown in 2020 I decided that I wanted to do something in order to give back to the tech community because it's a community that I've benefited from over the years, so I decided that I'm going to create this channel. It took me a while to figure out what works best for my subscribers and what should be my best approach, but the stuff that you'll find on my channel now can be split into two different categories. Those categories are YouTube only content and also previews to my full length courses. And so the stuff that you'll find on YouTube is more likely to be your framework kind of stuff such as Symfony and Laravel, but also tools which are related to getting the job done, so things like Docker and Composer. And the reason I take this strategy is because those technologies can change quite often, and so I'd rather put it on here than charge for it on my own site, because that means I'll be obliged to keep updating it. I just find that to be the best strategy. The other category is the previews to my full-length courses. These full-length courses can be found at garyclarke.tech, and they're more likely to contain evergreen material, i.e. stuff which doesn't need to be updated on a regular basis. And so I think it's fair. I can put on quite a lengthy preview on YouTube, you can have a look at it, and if it's something which you like and you think you want to pursue, then you can go and purchase that course at garyclarke.tech. A good place to start would be with one of my playlists. Just find something which interests you and dive in. The way that my playlists are typically ordered is that I put the newer or the more popular content first and then some of the older stuff last. What I will say about the older stuff though is that you'll find some rarities in there, i.e. the stuff that other people don't often cover. Okay, next steps. Make sure that you subscribe so that YouTube knows to show you my new material when it's released. And also don't forget to check out the garyclarke.tech site because currently you can enroll in one of my full-length courses for free.